You've probably seen the headlines: revolutionary electric cars, mind-blowing acceleration, and the future of mobility. But what if I told you that behind Tesla's innovation hides a serious problem? One that loyal customers are getting tired of. Let's talk about why Tesla's build quality kinda sucks. Let's break it down. From the outside, Teslas look sleek, but zoom in and you'll often see misaligned panels, uneven panel gaps, and paint issues right off the production line. Panel gaps all over the place. Some users have even reported early signs of rust on nearly brand new vehicles. And to make matters worse, the automatic folding mirrors. On some models, they press into the body when retracting, scratching the paint. Inside, you'll find squeaky trim, loose parts, and materials that feel more like budget plastic than premium electric luxury. Unlike traditional automakers, Tesla pushes for rapid innovation and speed over refinement. Many of their factories were scaled up in record time, with an intense focus on automation and cost cutting. And while that works for software, it often fails in manufacturing. On Reddit, YouTube, and review sites, Tesla owners share similar stories. Delivery day surprises, loose bumpers, scratched paint. Some even report being told that visibly flawed parts are within tolerance. And when things go wrong, long service delays are common. The good news? Tesla is improving. The newest gigafactories in Berlin and Austin are delivering more consistent builds. But while the tech keeps evolving, the question remains: can Tesla finally match the quality standards of the legacy brands they aim to replace? What do you think? Is build quality a deal breaker, or just growing pains for a young company changing the auto industry? Drop your opinion in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more real car talk.